This is the Lifx Mini Color. It's a new smart light from Lifx that can connect to your home Wi-Fi and produce millions of colors. It also has a wide range of brightnesses all the way up from 0 to 800 lumens and is dimmable even without a dimmer switch. It can also be controlled with your voice using Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri. Now, let's open the package. So here's the light itself, and it also comes with some paperwork. Now included here is your HomeKit code that you can use that to pair it to your Apple HomeKit so you can control it with Siri. You don't need this code, however, for Google Assistant or Alexa. So here it is. This is the Lifx Mini Color. Now all I have to do is screw in the light and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now you're going to want to hop on the Google Play Store and download the Lifx app on your phone. And you sign up for an account. It's going to look a little bit like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to push this plus in the corner and then hit Connect Light. So now it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi network, your password, and to name your light. So you're going to choose whichever Wi-Fi network you want to use, and it's going to populate your Wi-Fi networks. I'm going to choose mine are blurred out. You're going to type in the password. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and give your light a name by tapping here, and then you can choose your location, so that's your which house or which location it's in, your group, so you could have your rooms, and then your name. So for right now, I'm going to call this Test, and then hit OK. So now, just hit OK one more time. You'll see it's connecting to the light. Next it's going to sign into Wi-Fi. So the light just flashed to indicate that it was connected. Now my phone's reconnecting. Now it's going to look for the light on my Wi-Fi network. Finally, it's connecting the light to the cloud so you can access it from anywhere. And there you go. Now you're in the main interface. So you just tap on the light to turn it off, tap again to turn it back on. You tap on the name of the light. So this is your white balance. So you can change it from neutral all the way up to ultra warm or to blue ice, which is very cool. In this interface, if you drag the middle, you'll see it'll actually adjust brightness. So you can go all the way from 1% all the way up to 100%, which is going to be 800 lumens. If you do a swipe over, you'll see all your colors. So you can change it to any color just by dragging this wheel, and you can see obviously my light is changing color in real time as you drag. It's got some stuff like create. So here there are some different themes. So for example, if you tap on Epic, it just kind of changes the theme of the lights. Now if you go down to effects, there's some effects like a flicker effect, which makes it look kind of like a fire, spooky, a music visualizer, which doesn't really work, and a strobe. This one you have to hold down. So yeah, it's got that too. And then it also has a feature called day and dusk. What that will do is it will schedule your lights. You can have it turn on, wake up, suntime, evening, and night light, and you can have the temperature change throughout the day automatically. So if you want to pair it to your Google Assistant, you're going to open up the Google Home app and then navigate to your home control settings. Over here you're going to see a list of your current devices, and you'll see that if you hit plus, you're able to add a new device. So you're going to scroll down until you see Lifx. For me it's at the beginning because I've already linked my account. Now once you link that account, you're going to be able to use your Google Assistant on your phone or on a Google Home to control the lights in your house. If your lights to an existing account, just tell Google to sync your lights. If lights are connected properly, you can do this. Turn off the light.
Okay, turning off the test.
Hey Google, make the light red.
Okay, changing the light to red.
Hey Google, change the light's brightness to 50%. And if you purchase more than one of these, you can change the colors and brightnesses simultaneously, and they synchronize in the app. You can also, of course, change each one individually if you want to. So yeah, that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and click here for more videos.